Hello again! Let's go ahead and finish this essay that we started and prove just how much we know about Margot and William in All Summer and a Day by Ray Bradbury. The next thing we need is to add some evidence that what we claimed in our thesis statement is true. We do that by adding body paragraphs, the center paragraphs that give most of the evidence. For this essay, the body paragraph must include at least one quote as evidence from the story, and an explanation about how the behavior of that character shows how jealousy can be acted upon. Here's an example body paragraph. William's behavior toward Margot demonstrates how his envy caused him to do awful acts against her. He was envious of Margot because he used to live on Earth and remembers seeing the sun. William ended up treating Margot badly, bullying her because of his jealousy. He pushed Margot around. Speak when you're spoken to, he gave her a shove. He lied to her when the class was waiting to see the sun after 7 years of rain. Nothing is happening today. William let his jealousy and envy cause him to create internal shame in Margot. Notice how I still include words from the prompt. I do this to make sure that what I'm writing stays related to the assignment. I don't want to forget what I'm writing about. Here are my quotes. Notice it says I must include one, but I chose to use two in order to make my evidence even stronger. Don't forget to explain how those quotes prove that William's envy makes him commit awful acts. The first quote I use says, "Speak when you're spoken to, he gave her a shove." I made sure to explain that quote before I used it. He pushed Margot around. This shows one way that William ended up treating Margot badly because of his jealousy. The second quote says, "Nothing is happening today." I explained that with the previous sentence where I said he lied to her when the class was waiting to see the sun after 7 years. He tried to tell her that the sun wasn't really coming out in order to hurt her feelings because he knew she really wanted to see the sun. Now, you should add to your essay from yesterday by writing some of your own body paragraphs to give your reader evidence that the thesis statement you wrote in the intro paragraph is true. Some people say you should have 3 body paragraphs to make a good essay. I say write as many as it takes to prove you are right. More evidence makes your argument stronger. Before you start, here are some other ideas you can use as topics for your body paragraphs to make sure that you give enough information as possible. Don't forget, for this essay, each body paragraph must include at least one quote as evidence from the story and an explanation about how the behavior of that character shows how jealousy can be acted upon. All right, happy writing!